Hey guys, how to get power rolls in Ink game. Power rolls in Ink game are one of the key mechanics that give you a competitive edge, letting you perform faster movements, dodge attacks, or access special zones before your opponents. Here's the full breakdown. Understand what power rolls do. Power rolls aren't just fancy moves. They increase your momentum, help you reposition quickly, and can knock back weaker opponents if timed perfectly. Okay, they can also be chained together for high-speed escapes or rapid offensive plays. Secondly, unlocking power rolls. In most modes, power rolls are not available right from the start. You either need to level up your character or to a certain rank or complete a specific tutorial challenge in the game's training area. Some special events give you temporary power roll access, so keep an eye on the event calendar. Thirdly, performing a power roll. The basic input: hold your movement key in the desired direction, press the crouch or dodge button, then immediately tap jump, all within about half a second. Timing is key. If you press jump too early or too late, you'll just do a normal hop. On controllers, map couch or dodge to a bumper or paddle for quicker execution. Next, energy management. Power rolls consume stamina or energy. Don't spam them without checking your energy bar. In competitive matches, save them for crucial moments, dodging an incoming ink blast or rushing an unexposed enemy. Lastly, combine power rolls with ink slicked surfaces to double your movement speed. Fake a power roll to bait enemy fire, then immediately counterattack. Chain rolls into jumps for surprise aerial strikes. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.